children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will study about transformation of sentences. Let's learn. By transformation of sentences, we mean to change the form of a sentence without changing its meaning. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का क्या मतलब है कि मीनिंग आप चेंज नहीं करेंगे, केवल सेंटेंस की जो फॉर्मेशन है वो आपकी चेंज हो जाएगी. There are different methods of transforming a sentence. Number 1, by changing questions into a statement and vice versa. जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उनको स्टेटमेंट में या स्टेटमेंट को क्वेश्चन में चेंज करके हम सेंटेंस की फॉर्मेशन को चेंज कर देते हैं. अब जैसे फर्स्ट है आपका स्टेटमेंट, सायरा इज टॉल. अब इसको क्वेश्चन में कैसे करेंगे? इज सायरा नॉट टॉल? नाउ क्वेश्चन, व्हाई वेट फॉर हिम अननेसेसरली? Now statement, it is no use waiting for him unnecessarily. Question, how can I forget the favor you did to me? Statement, I can't forget the favor you did to me. Next is again question, who can betray their own family? Now statement, no one can betray their own family. Statement, our school performed well yesterday. Question, did our school not perform well yesterday? Now statement, David has written an article for the school magazine. Question, has David not written an article for the school magazine? Statement, we can walk to school. Question, can't we walk to school? Now note, these questions are asked not to elicit any reply, but as a substitute to make the statement more emphatic. Such questions are called rhetorical questions. The answer should be in the negative when the question is in the affirmative and vice versa. इसमें क्या होता है, जो आपके आंसर्स होते हैं, अगर आपका क्वेश्चन पॉजिटिव है तो वो नेगेटिव में जाएगा, अगर आपका आंसर नेगेटिव में है तो क्वेश्चन आपका फिर पॉजिटिव में जाएगा. और इस तरीके से हम स्टेटमेंट को बनाते हैं. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू नाउ. Now this is your exercise, you have to practice it. Now next is by changing the type of statement. Affirmative, I failed in my attempt. Negative, I didn't succeed in my attempt. Affirmative, she lost her temper. Negative, she couldn't control her temper. Affirmative, everyone was careful about their safety. In negative, no one was careless about their safety. I hope this is clear to you now. This is your exercise. You have to practice it. Now next is by changing the voice of the sentence. Sentence की voice आप change करके इनको change करते हैं. First one is active voice. They have built the road. Passive voice, the road has been built. Active, someone has stolen my purse. Passive voice, my purse has been stolen. Active voice, she wrote a letter. Passive voice, a letter was written by her. Active voice, they will help you. Passive voice, you will be helped by them. Active, who is taking you to the station? Passive voice, by whom are you being taken to the station? Now drop by plus agent if the agent is not important or understood. आपको voice change करके आपने ये सब करने हैं. Now this is your exercise, you have to practice it. Next is by removing the adverb to. You are too late to catch the train. अब यहाँ पर आपको to को रिमूव करना है, तो कैसे करेंगे? You are so late that you can't catch the train. The man was too poor to afford a cycle. The man was so poor that he could not afford a cycle. He is too old to run. He is so old that he cannot run. She is far too short to reach the showpiece. She is so short that she cannot reach the showpiece. The shirt is too tight for me to put on. The shirt is so tight that I cannot put it on. I hope it is clear now. This is your exercise. You have to practice it. Now next is by interchanging the degrees of comparison of adjectives and adverbs. जो adjective है और adverb है उसकी डिग्री को इंटरचेंज करके, जैसे पॉजिटिव, नो अदर सिटी ऑफ इंडिया इज एज ग्रीन एज न्यू दिल्ली. अब इसका कंपैरिजन कैसे होगा? कंपैरेटिव, न्यू दिल्ली इज ग्रीनर देन एनी अदर सिटी ऑफ इंडिया. सुपरलेटिव, न्यू दिल्ली इज द ग्रीनेस्ट सिटी ऑफ इंडिया. नाउ नेक्स्ट सुपरलेटिव, Maya is one of the tallest girls in the class. Comparative, Maya is taller than most other girls in the class. Positive, very few girls in the class are as tall as Maya. Superlative, this is not the best book on grammar. Positive, some other books on grammar are at least as good as this one. Comparative, this book is not better than some other books on grammar. Positive, he is as intelligent as his brother. Comparative, his brother is not more intelligent than him. Positive, this book is not as thick as that one. Comparative, that book is thicker than this one. Positive, very few people are as brave as Rustam. Comparative, Rustam is braver than most people. Superlative, Rustam is one of the bravest people. Now change these sentences. I hope this is clear to you now. Now by interchanging exclamations and statements. एक्सक्लेमेशंस और स्टेटमेंट को किस तरीके से इंटरचेंज करके हम चेंज करते हैं. एक्सक्लेमेशन, इफ ओनली वी कुड मीट. स्टेटमेंट, आई विश वी कुड मीट. नाउ स्टेटमेंट, द रोज स्मेल्स स्वीट. एक्सक्लेमेशन, हाउ स्वीट द रोज स्मेल्स. एक्सक्लेमेशन, वुड दैट आई वर अ बर्ड. स्टेटमेंट, आई विश आई वर अ बर्ड. एक्सक्लेमेशन, how beautiful the moon is. Statement, the moon is really beautiful. Now next statement, I am sorry I missed the chance. Exclamation, alas, I missed the chance. Now this is your exercise. You have to practice it.